back up in 92 to 95 all week this week, looks like. We're on the way to check out tires for the 98 van. Maybe get some Civil War video or some other video today. We're going to try to get video with the phones. We can upload them with at 5G. They upload a whole lot faster than with, when we have a better connection. When we're at the shop over there in Arcade or Jefferson, that frame shop, it takes so long to upload. The connection is so bad. That we're going to go all the way on 20. We can go 285 to Glenwood Road. We may get off the Covington Highway and go through Lithonia. Covington Highway is US 278. We'll clown around afterwards. We want to try to get these tires. Maybe get video on the way back, or other video. Let's see what the compass says now. The compass says we're heading almost due north. I'm going to have to get another compass and check this thing out. Yeah, we're going to Covington Highway at Columbia Drive. The tire shop up there. They got some used Michelin tires. Like they had good tread on them. We want to get them for the 98 van. When we get them, we'll go ahead and get plugs, wires, get a tag and insurance where we can start driving it and diagnose it better as far as whether we want to put money in the air conditioning and keep it as a spare or a replacement for this one, or whether we're going to turn it into a parts van. Get on. I don't want to try to get past you. US 278, Georgia 124. 124 crosses. 278 have to get off and turn left or right. There's also Georgia Highway 12. And 124 goes all the way up there to where we're at, up there in Jefferson. Goes south, it goes down to 155, I think. It may stop around Georgia 212, though I'm not sure. to change the name of this town to Amazon. That's the name of it. That shopping center over there. Also the name of the city, I think. Some trivia. Brenda Lee grew up around here. Conyers, Rockdale, Lithonia area. It's still open. It's such a good restaurant. Mamie's Kitchen up here on Evans Mill. I mean, great breakfast, great lunch. Drive-through is usually wrapped around the building and down the street. There used to be two of them. There used to be one on Memorial Drive in Atlanta. It closed, and this one I think is still open. Boy, it is some good food. Last time I was there, it wasn't cheap, but it was reasonably priced for the serving size and the quality of food. Right there on the right, down there. Yeah, it's still there. Parking lot's full. That makes sense. It's getting thick up here. We may get off up here. Catch Covington Highway and go to Glenwood Road. headed to Atlanta on Georgia 20, coming through east and west. This video will be I-20 west from 138 or Conyers to where we get off. Road. We need to use little boys' room. Maybe there'll be a place there we can stop before we get to the tire place. After we get the tires, if we get them, we will go ahead and get this video processed and uploaded and start recording whatever else on something different. One of the phones or go back to the Osmo. Probably maybe both, because we may want to go ahead and upload from a phone. Get a couple of videos uploaded while we've got good connection up here around town. Okay, this got us getting off right here. Or does it? Maybe not. Exit 68, yeah. Wonder what this all about. Let's go ahead and turn this off then. This will be to Wesley Chapel Road.